Hello friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show important concept inheritance in Windows Server 2003. Inheritor permissions are those that are propagated to an object from a parent object. After you set permissions on a parent folder, new files and subfolders that are created in the folder inherit these permissions. Let's come to the concept. Here in Active Directory users and computers, I have created two groups, research group and tech support group, and I have created user 1, user 2, user 3 and user 4. In research group, I have the members user 1, user 2, and in tech support, I have the members Lee and Raj. Here in C drive, I have created a folder, data, and I have shared this folder. Just open this. Again, I'm creating a folder. I'm naming this as document, and also I will create one text document and open the document. In this, again, I will create two more folders, and I'm naming this as research. This is for technical, and in research, again, I'm creating one text document, and come to technical. In technical also, I'm creating one text document, and come to research. Here, just I'm renaming this. Come to C drive and expand data, and here it is showing the document, and in this I have two more folders, research and technical. Research and technical folders will inherit the permissions from the document, and for the document it will inherit the permissions from data, and all these folder will inherit the permissions from local disk C. Now come to data, right click, come to properties, and come to security, and here it is showing the administrators, creator, owner, system, users, and you can find for administrator it is allowing full control. For the creator owner it is not assigned any permission, and for the system it is giving full allow, and users it is giving read and execute list folder contents and write. Okay, now cancel this. Again come to technical, just right click on this, come to properties, come to security, and here you can find the same permissions. For administrator it is giving the full control, and for creator owner it is not giving any permissions. For the system also it is giving full control, and for the users it is giving read and execute to list folder contents rate. That means technical folder will inherit the permissions from the data. Now come to data, properties, come to security, and here I want to add tech support group. Okay, and for tech support I am giving full control, and again click on add, research. For research group I'm giving modify, and after that come to add user 3. For him only I'm giving read and execute to list folder contents and rate, and after that come to user 4. For user 4 I'm giving any options, apply, and here it is showing the security. You are setting a any permission entry. Any entries take precedence over all the entries. Click on yes. Okay, now come to the technical. In technical I have created a text document. Just right click on that text document, come to properties, and here please select security, and here you can find for administrator it is giving the full control, and for the research group I have given modify permission, it is showing that only, and for system it is showing the full control, and for tech support it is showing the full control, and for user 4 I have given any permissions, it is showing that only. And let's try to remove this user 4, and you cannot remove user 4 because this object is inheriting permissions from its parent. Okay, to remove user 4 you must prevent this object from the inheriting permissions. Okay, in case whether you want to prevent only certain files or subfolders from inherit permissions, come to advanced option and please uncheck allow inheritable permissions from the parent, and now it is showing the selecting this option means that the parent permission entries that apply to the child objects will no longer be applied to this object. Okay, now apply this. Yes. Okay, now you can remove this permission. Now apply this. Okay, now come to the document, and here just come to properties, please select security. Here it is showing the administrator, creator, owner, research, system, tech support, and user 3, user 4. For technical folder I have removed user 4, but here in document user 4 is there because it takes the inheritable permission from the data. And let's try to remove this, and same warning we got, you cannot remove user 4. For modifying this, again come to advanced, and we have to remove this option allow inheritable permission from the parent. Click on copy, apply, yes. Okay, now you can remove the permissions, and also we can prevent permissions only for certain files or subfolders. For that, come to properties, again come to security. In advanced option, click on edit, and here it is showing apply onto this folder, subfolders and files. And here if you select this folder only, it will take the permission for this folder, and if you select folders, subfolders and files, it will inherit the permissions for the subfolders and files also. Okay, I'm selecting this folder only. Okay, apply it. Okay, here for technical group, I want to give full permissions, and for research people, I want to give read permissions. Okay, for research, I'm giving modify. Okay, and for the tech support, I'm giving full control. And for research, come to security. For research group, I want to give full permission, and for tech support, I want to give read and execute. So for that, first we need to remove the inheritable permission. For that, come to advanced, just remove this, copy, apply. Okay, now for research group, I want to give full control, and for tech support, I want to give modify, apply. Okay, so with this we can assign different permissions for the different groups and different users. To reset back to the previous inherited permissions, just right click on data, come to properties, come to security. In advanced option, please select replace permission entries on all child objects with entries shown here that apply to the child objects. Okay, apply. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now check the permissions, and here it is showing the administrator, creator, research system, tech support, user 4, right? And come to technical, come to properties, security, and it is showing the administrator, creator, owner, research system, tech support, user 3, user 4, user 5. So we can reset back to our previous inherited permissions from the parent folder. Again, come to document. Let's check the security permissions. So all the users and groups are successfully added. So like this, by using inheritance, we can successfully assign the inherited permissions to the folders, subfolders and files. And with this, I have successfully completed inheritance. I hope this video will help you in creating permissions. If you like this video, please click on like button, and please share this video with your friends, and please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. Thank you friends, have a nice day.